You know what? I don't know if you understand rejection. You know, I'm not talking about the rejection that you know. Let's get to my laptop and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is actually my Jumia affiliate account, and as you can see, there are really a lot of rejected orders, and it really hurts. You know, you've seen something, it's already in your account. As you can see, there's even this one of 31,000. This is a sale. This is not the commission anyway. The commission is 250 euros. The sale was almost 32,000, and it got rejected. So if it's rejected, it means no money for me. Now, why does that happen? Now, before I answer that, I need to show you quickly how to join Jumia affiliate program. So let's get right to it. So this is gonna be really quick because I already have almost 30-minute tutorial on how to join Jumia, and I talk a lot into Jumia affiliate program inside that video. I'll leave a link in the description. So this is gonna be really super quick. So if you want to join, just go over to register. Head over to call.jumia.com, then click on register. Here you provide your name, your last name, your email, password. Then you choose the type of account. So there are 3 types of accounts. There is the affiliate, there is the creator or micro influencer, mega influencer. So the difference is the affiliate is someone like me who runs websites. The creator or micro influencer is someone who has a YouTube channel or a page or with a sizable audience. Then mega influencers, these are guys with a ton of followers. Then you add here a link to either if you have a website, or if you are an influencer without a website, you can add here your social media account. Once you're done, you click register. Now after that, you'll be asked to verify. After you verified your account, now you can start advertising. So for me, I already have an account. I'm just gonna log in. Now this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, there to your left there are 3 tabs. There's the advertising tab. So here, this is where you use to generate to get directly to offers or custom links. We'll talk about custom links in a bit. Then there is reports. Inside the reports, you'll find the conversion. This is where you can track all the sales you've made. This is the invoices, if you've generated any invoice, and then the downloads. Then there is support. So support contains the commission structure and then the contact form. So if you want to contact Jumia, you can use that. The next thing, once you've created an account, is to fill in information. So head over to your account and then click on profile info. Make sure everything here is filled out, your phone number, your website if you have one. Then the next is now the account details, so the info. So here, this is your full name or the company if you are a company, and then the tax ID or national ID. So just use your national ID here, and then your phone number, and then save changes. The address, make sure you provide your address also. So provide the address here, and then the payout details. So there are 2 options. So there is the bank transfer and the mobile. So for me, I prefer they send directly to my M-Pesa. So provide your phone number right there. That's right about it. Now I need to show you how to generate a link, because there are 2 ways you can advertise. So there is the offers. So offers is where you can promote a whole category. So for example, if you want to promote the mobile category, there is the health and beauty category. So you can, for example, if I want to promote only baby products, I can go to offers, then come to baby products, and then copy this link and start promoting. Now if you need pictures or images, you can generate under the banner size. So you can choose depending on the size you want. You'll see right here. So if I want, for example, 300 by 20 by 250, that is it. Now to download this image, just click here on download, and it will download. And this is the banner code. So if you have a website, you can copy this and paste it on your website, and it will show. The next thing is now generating a custom link. So assuming I want to promote a specific product on Jumia, how am I going to do that? So to promote a specific product, just find the product, copy the link, and go generate the custom URL. This is how you do it. So if I want to promote, say, these shoes, I go to shoes, find that product. So this is the product, copy the link, Go back to Jumia, click on custom links, make sure it's Jumia e-commerce, make sure it's Kenya or the country, wherever country you are from, and then paste that link that you generated here. Then automatically, now this link, what happens is this link will they will insert your affiliate code into this link, so to make it trackable. Now this is the trackable link, so you can copy this and start now sharing. Is this one trick, the channel. So here, if I'm promoting it on Facebook, I'll come and add here Facebook. Now what happens is later on, when I'm viewing my reports, I can see that, oh, I got these sales and they were from Facebook. So add the channel that you're using to promote right here. Once you're done, copy the link and you start sharing. Now let's look at the reports quickly. Conversions. So go to reports, then conversions. As you can see, I have a lot of sales here. I have a lot of sales. Most of them anyway are rejected. We shall discuss what all of these mean. So there are three statuses. So there is the pending, and then there is rejected, and then now there is the approved. So let me show you what approved looks like. This is what approved looks like. So this is what happens for you to make a commission. So it moves from pending, rejected, or approved, either of those three. It starts from pending. So what happens is once someone clicks on your affiliate link, for it to be a confirmed purchase, three things has to happen. So the customer clicks through a link on your site to Jumia, then they add the product to their shopping cart and then place the order. That product not later than 30 days following the customer's initial click. So it means that once someone clicks on your link, they should place an order within the 30 days. But Jumia actually have what we call the cookie period, that's 7 days, which means if someone clicks on your ad today and then made a purchase 9 days later, you won't be attributed to that link, but they should make a purchase within the 7 days. So when they made the purchase, the product is shipped is shipped and paid for by the customer, and then finally the confirmation of no return by the customer as by Jumia return policy. So what happens is the customer needs to click, pay for that product, and then not return for it to be approved, right? So if they return it, it becomes rejected, right? So you won't make commission of that. Approved means now you are eligible for that commission. Now the pending status means that the customer hasn't received the product or the period hasn't ended. So once you get paid for this, the approved commissions, the invoice will be here, so you can view the invoices here. So once when you download that invoice, you'll see it under download. So as you can see, there is one here. I can download here. So this is a conversion anyway. I had requested that. There you have it. That's how you can join Jumia affiliate program. As you can see, this one I rushed a lot. That's because I already have another video. So if you want to understand what it takes to make money through Jumia without being a seller right there, just go and watch that video. And please, if you watch this far, please click that subscribe button and like this video. Bye.